Special guest, my sister with the most beautiful hair is going to give you the most honest review on all the hair oils she's tried and give you recommendations.
The first is Mijan's Perfect Serum. I use this a lot because it's the most affordable option. It's definitely a lot more cheaper in Korea, but you can get it from Amazon. It definitely does its job. I put it morning and night, and it's not too heavy, and it's pretty light for the price.
Just got this one in Paris, and I want your opinion on this one.
So I like it because of the way this hair oil works. It's a spray, it's extremely light, doesn't make your hair oily, but I'm extremely particular with scent, and I don't love the scent of this hair oil.
I actually love the scent. Okay, so then what's your favorite?
My favorite is definitely the Whey and Jisoo, and they definitely do its job. Not too light, not too heavy, doesn't make your hair oily, and definitely makes your hair look really glossy and nice and less frizzy.
So you're gonna steal these from me? This is the most expensive one here. What are your thoughts?
So I think it's actually pretty good for nighttime use because it's extremely heavy. It does make your hair seem oily, but you wake up in the morning, your hair is extremely well nourished and just looks really healthy. But in the morning before you go out and get ready, I wouldn't recommend it.
It does make it look a little greasy, I will say. By the way, we both have very fine hair. This is the newest one in my collection. What are your thoughts?
Definitely not for me. I think it's for thicker hair.
Yeah.
It's extremely thick. I don't feel it doing its job for me.
Yeah. And I think for fine hair girls like us, it just makes it look a little too greasy. Any final thoughts?
So hair oil, I believe, is like one of the most important hair care products. I wash my hair usually every other day. During summer, every day. But I usually apply a lot of hair oil before showering. So I leave it on for like minimum 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh.
And then I shower. And then once it's like half dry, half wet, like towel dry, I apply hair oil again.
I'm gonna do this every single day now.